The hydraulic system requires a hydraulics tank. Things to know about the hydraulic tank is that there's a sight gauge here for the amount of oil that's in the tank. And this one you can see a bubble at the top. The tank's full up to here. It has a removable cap here to add hydraulic oil if you need to. It has a breather tube here that allows the tank to vent. It has a 5 psi relief in it for pressure. It has a return filter here. This gauge here will indicate when this filter is needed to be changed. As long as you're operating in the green, you're okay. Behind this coupling here is a suction strainer screen inside the tank that also has a magnetic property to it to catch metals and screen the product before it goes to the hydrostatic transmission and auxiliary pump.